Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I'm participating in another collaboration. This time this collab is hosted by Diana with She Leaves a Little Sparkle and Hannah with Hanna Watkins. Her channel is formerly called Hannah's Daily Life. But at any rate, this collaboration is called Summer Chill Bar Cart. And so in this video, Diana and Hannah asked us to showcase our summer bar cart. And guys, I have to say, for this challenge, I didn't have a bar cart, so I decided to create one. And so in another video collaboration that I participated in, I showed how I put together this bar cart look. And in this video, I decided to style it out the way we will use it for today, which is Memorial Day. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I put together my bar cart, and really guys, gives you an idea on how to create a bar cart if you don't have one at home, and then you can disassemble it and use the items for other areas around your home and then put it back together whenever you need a bar cart. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this bar cart, then keep watching. But first, let me remind you guys to be sure to go over to Diana's channel with She Leaves a Little Sparkle, and also Hanna Watkins' channel, so that you guys can view their videos as well as the playlist of all of the other participants. Alrighty guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is my bar cart all set up for the summer for entertaining on our back patio. Now I'll move in closer so I can show you guys each tier of this tray. But as I mentioned, this is a tray that I did create in another video where I participated in a different collaboration, an outdoor collaboration. And so I will link that video above in the iCards if you're interested in seeing that. And it will also be in my description box along with in the 2018 challenges and collaborations that I've participated in so far this year. And so one change I did make is, as you guys can see, the bottom layer of this 3-tier tray is actually a plant stand. And I got that idea from one of my viewers who saw the video when I put this look together, and I actually used 3 of the teal stools. As you can see there, the teal legs, I had 3 of those, and it was a little bit taller, or quite a bit taller than it is here now, and she suggested that I use something to make it not be so tall, and I thought, that's a great idea. And so I went digging around in my garage and I found this plant stand, and it turned out to be the perfect height, and so I really love this look. So let's move in a bit closer. So as you guys can see, I've just adorned this top layer of the tray with some faux tulips that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in a like a milk container that I also got. I think I thrifted that. And then I have some paper cups and straws and napkins. And the paper cups and the straws are from the Dollar Tree. The paper napkins are from Costco. The Galvanized serving tray is from Ross, and this size for this tray was $5.99. And then this table here is from Five Below. It was $5, and so I used some of the little grippy shelf liner that you can get from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. I put a rim of that around each tray so that the around on top of each stool, so that the trays do not slide around. Then on the second level, I have this super cute cold drink glass dispenser. I got this at Walmart not too long ago, and it was, I think, $12.98 or something like that. They had another one that was much taller that I really wanted, but then after I thought about it, this was the better height, and I'm glad I got this one because it fits perfectly on my shelves here. And the difference was this one has like a Loctite lid, and the other one, the glass lid, just sat right on top, so it slid around and it could easily break, and it was not attached to the container. So that's why I chose this one, because I like the locking mechanism on this. But so I will put, as you can see, Girl Scout Punch in this dispenser. And then if we pan around here on the back side, you'll see I have more of those little containers that I thrifted. I have 2 of these, and I got these 2 from Burlington's. I'll move this out. And so you can see this container here. I got 2 of those from Burlington's, and they have the Loctite lid. I usually store like our apple juice and orange juice in our refrigerator in those, but I have these all here because this is what I'll put extra punch, so that as we're running low in the glass container here, I can just pour more punch from those 2 in the back here, and then I can have more punch here, or a different type of punch, or ice, or whatever. So that's the second tray. Then on the third tray here, I have oh, I should tell you guys also, this size tray was $7.99 from Ross. And you can see, guys, these are nice size trays. They're not like tiny little trays. But on the third tier here, you can see is the largest tray, which was $11.99. And I have it attached to the, or just sitting on top of the plant stand. And I'm thinking I might spray paint that later, or wrap it with some jute twine so that it would blend in more. But for all intents and purposes, it's really not necessary. I think it looks fine otherwise. And so I just put some water bottles around the rim of the tray, and then in the center I have a bucket from the Dollar Tree, and it's filled with juice and more water. And so obviously I'll put more juices and more water in there, and fill it with ice, and so the kiddos can grab one of these as they're out playing. So yeah, I think this turned out really nice, super cute. I didn't have a bar cart necessarily, and so I was so excited that I came up with this idea to create my own bar cart, and I think it turned out really well. And so, and this is, you know, reusable, so I can take it all apart and use each piece in a different area of my home if I chose to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you like how I styled my bar cart, or at least my take on a bar cart for my back patio. And if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and click that like button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And I hope that you'll go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also the notification bell, so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And if you're my faithful family members, guys, thank you so much for all of your love and support. It really means so much to me. I really appreciate it. Alrighty guys, I will see you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.